The Vermont Senate today passed a bill that would make it easier for terminally ill patients to get medical support in dying. Vermont's Death with Dignity law went into effect 9 years ago. But as State House reporter Devin Bates tells us, the strength and struggles of a former state lawmaker have drawn attention to the law's shortcomings.
His advocacy for this issue really reflected his internal strength.
During his time as Vermont's House Majority Leader, Willem Jewett was a strong advocate of the Death with Dignity Act. Jewett's former colleague, State Senator Ginny Lyons, told me he just had a way of winning over the room.
Willem was just one of these people who was an excellent advocate. Not only was he a good legislator, but he could express himself in such a way that people would listen and understand the value of a program like End of Life Choices.
Since 2013, the law has allowed terminally ill adult patients to request and obtain a prescription for the purpose of hastening their death. Earlier this month, as his cancer worsened, Jewett got a prescription, but his advocacy work wasn't over.
He spoke a lot in our interview about that during this time when, as a patient, you're losing so much control over so many aspects of your life, that having this little bit of control and this little bit of comfort is just so important.
Just days before Jewett's death, he did an interview with Betsy Walkerman, president of Patient Choices Vermont. He voiced his support for S-74, a bill that would no longer require terminally ill patients to go to in-person visits for an end-of-life prescription. He wanted this last act of advocacy to have an impact, and on Tuesday, the Vermont Senate passed that bill. 8 days after Jewett's death, Patient Choices Vermont shared that interview.
It's quite an effort when you get in the condition that I'm in right now. Getting out to a doctor's appointment, it's hard, yeah. At the end of the day, the patient really needs to have control. And if it's between sort of public policy and patient control, let's side with the patient. I'm proud of this one.
In Montpelier, Devin Bates, Local 22 News.